Ignite your fat-burning journey with this natural powerhouse. Hey Fit Fam! If you're looking to turbocharge your weight loss goals without any extreme measures, we've got you covered. This all-natural cocktail is a game-changer, designed to supercharge your metabolism and help you shed those extra pounds. No side effects, just pure results. Before we start, hit subscribe button to don't miss any other great recipes. Ingredients you'll need: 6 small teaspoons of zesty lemon juice, 6 ice cubes for that refreshing kick, 4 ripe, juicy tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic for an immune boost, 2.5 liters of mineral water. Procedure: after giving your lemon, garlic, and tomatoes a good rinse, extract the juice from the fruit and blend it with the rest of the ingredients. Sip on this powerful concoction 2 to 3 times a week, 30 minutes before breakfast, and get ready to witness the magic happen. Why it works: the lycopene and antioxidants from tomatoes work wonders in detoxing your body, jump-starting your weight loss journey. Garlic, with all its natural goodness, boosts your immunity and fires up those fat-burning engines. Combine this drink with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and watch the pounds melt away. Remember, you've got this.